Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a jailbreak update video on what's been going on in the subreddit regarding a PP jailbreak, a fake developer, as well as the Prometheus downgrade tool that was successfully done. So with that being said, guys, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and fire up the subreddit. So as you guys can see, there is not too much that's been going on. A lot of updates for tweaks that has been being released as well. If you guys are not on Cydia as often, there are a lot of tweaks that have been released as well, and updated ones too. So with that being said, let's go ahead and fire up the next thing that's going to be talked about, which is the PP jailbreak that was released for iOS 10. Unfortunately, the Twitter page actually deleted their account regarding this, so there's no links that I can actually show you, but there was confirmed earlier today that I did see before it was removed that PP did make a jailbreak for iOS 10 to 10.2 and claimed it to be compatible with the SE, 5S, 6, 6 Plus, and all these other devices right here, and the 7. But unfortunately, this is fake, and the code was just rewritten and compiled into an application that was made by Luca Tedesco. So this was a copy and a replica, so don't worry about this, guys. Get all your jailbreak essentials from Luca Tedesco, or you can watch my videos and tutorials on how to jailbreak the iOS version with particular iDevices. So that's it for the PP jailbreak. Please stay away from anything that you guys see online that is not on official sources. And I will also have a tweet on my Twitter page regarding a new release for a jailbreak. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the next topic with creating a springboard icon to launch a terminal command. Now, this basically is useful for the users like ones with the iPhone 7 that are still stuck on a jailbroken iOS 10.1.1 and is not able to upgrade to 10.2 since there is no jailbreak yet for 10.2. So if you guys know, on 10.1.1, it was very crucial that you guys had to have terminal installed and run a couple commands in order to enable Substrate on your iDevice. Now this tutorial right here, which is fully written, I might make a tutorial on it if it's easy enough for me to figure out, but I will go ahead and link it down below inside of the description if you guys want to tackle this on your own before I possibly make a tutorial on it. It looks very detailed, and a lot of people have given it a thumbs up with karma, so if you guys want to check it out, again, like I said, it'll be inside of the description. Alright, so the next topic I want to actually talk about is something that's pretty crazy. So the developer of iMockles, if that's how you pronounce it, but he was actually making a lot of tweaks that were added into Cydia, but they are untrustworthy because he had actually said that his tweak somehow got the user's credentials and all these other logins for that particular user. So this person right here is actually pretty crazy. Not the optimal, but he was the one who released and deleted all of his tweaks on the Big Boss repo. So with that being said, guys, I want to let you guys know that if you guys have anything on your iDevice that has the author of iMockles, if that's how you pronounce it, delete it right away, because I do not want your guys' credentials to be stolen and anything of that nature. So go ahead and make sure you guys go through your Cydia packages and make sure you guys don't have anything on his repo as well as the Big Boss repo with this guy's author on it. Now the next and final topic that I want to talk about is Timstar with his downgrade tool. So recently there was a user who was able to downgrade from 10.3 beta 1 back to 10.2 with his iPhone 5S, and it was actually confirmed right here, as you guys can see from this tweet, that it works perfectly fine. So from here, as you guys can see, someone had actually tried to downgrade their iPhone 5S to 10.2 from 10.3 beta 1, and it was successful with AP nonce. Now basically what AP nonce, from what I have read, is basically a fingerprint for that signed version at the time. So this particular code, for example, has to match the exact one that is inside of the downgrade tool, which will be matched, and it'll use the SSH blob in order to redirect its official server to the iDevice, which will allow you to downgrade without having the need of the iOS 10.2 version being signed. Now, I know that a lot of you guys want a tutorial on this, but I am not too familiar with any of these kinds of topics and tutorials, so I'm going to go ahead and look a little bit into it more. And again, do not quote me on the information I have said, but I just know that AP nonce has to have the exact match of code right here. So anything right here, as you guys can see, has to match what's inside terminal. And for now, this is only working for the Mac version. And if you guys want to use the downgrade tool on Windows, you will need to install a virtual machine for Mac OS. So with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for this week's update video. Thank you guys so much for leaving the support on my last video if you guys wanted to see a lot of jailbreak news like this in a series. So with that being said, guys, if you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and leave a like down below. Also subscribe to get videos just like this in the future, as well as a lot more tweak and theme reviews once they are released by developers. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter page and my Facebook page to be informed on anything jailbreak related and what's been going on in the subreddit as well, and just to get a little sense on what's been going on in my daily life. So with that being said, guys, to see you guys in my next video, this is Elite Apple Hacks signing out.